Moen offers a distinctive line of bath accessories, such as tank levers, robe hooks, towel bars, and paper holders to help you create a perfectly coordinated bath. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a tank lever on a toilet. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using an adjustable wrench, adjustable pliers, Phillips screwdriver, and safety glasses. Step 2. Remove the existing tank lever from the toilet. There may or may not be water in the tank. Step 3. Install the new tank lever. Loosen the plastic nut to remove the arm mechanism from the tank lever post. Unscrew the tank nut, which is a left-handed thread. Position the tank lever through the tank hole. The handle should be pointing away from the toilet bowl. Tighten the tank nut to secure it in place. Depending on the curve of the tank, there may be a slight gap between the tank exterior and the base of the lever. Place the arm mechanism on the tank lever post and adjust it up or down as needed. Secure it in place with the plastic nut. Adjust the arm mechanism from side to side if needed. The arm shouldn't touch the tank wall or flush mechanism. Tighten the screw to lock it in place. Attach the flapper valve chain to one of the arm slots and eliminate any slack in the chain. Step 4. Check for any leaks. When the handle is in its resting position, water should not leak through the flapper. If it does, adjust the arm. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a tank lever is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services